In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Slack, an essential tip for those times when you need to focus without being disturbed. Whether you're working remotely or just need some time to concentrate, this simple guide will help you set your status to offline in just a few easy steps. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open Slack. Go ahead and launch the app on your computer or pull it up in your preferred web browser. This brings you straight into your workspace environment where all your channels and conversation threads live. If you're frequently using Slack, you probably have it pinned on your desktop or bookmarked in your browser, making it easily accessible. Getting to the right spot quickly means you can streamline how you manage your availability. Once Slack is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture. Clicking on your profile picture is your gateway to adjusting your settings and status. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should have no trouble locating it. This location is consistent across the desktop and web versions of Slack, keeping everything seamless whether you're switching devices or not. Now, after clicking on your profile picture, a menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll see an item labeled Set Yourself as Away. Selecting this option is how you tell Slack that you're not available at the moment. By doing so, you're creating a clear boundary for yourself and your colleagues, making sure everyone knows you're taking time for concentrated work. Office cultures increasingly understand the need for focused time, so using this feature helps everyone respect one another's schedules. Once you set yourself as away, you'll notice that your green dot, the indicator that shows you're online, will disappear. This directly impacts how others see your availability in the workspace. To your teammates, you'll now appear offline, which goes a long way in gently signaling that you're not currently reachable for quick chats or impromptu meetings. This is a subtle yet effective way to maintain your work-life balance and manage your time efficiently. And don't worry, you can easily reverse this whenever you're ready to be fully accessible again. To toggle your status back to online, you simply revisit that same menu after clicking your profile picture and then adjust your status as needed. This flexibility makes Slack a versatile tool, catering to dynamic work environments where the need for focus and communication can shift throughout the day. Thank you for tuning into this quick tutorial on how to appear offline on Slack. We hope this tip helps you manage your workday with a bit more ease and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, feel free to explore more tips and tricks with us. Until next time, take care and stay productive.